the significance of drone technology in agriculture cannot be overstated. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have revolutionized the way we approach farming and have emerged as invaluable tools for modern agricultural practices. With their ability to swiftly cover large areas and capture high-resolution images, these aerial marvels aid in optimizing crop production, minimizing resource consumption, and enhancing overall farm management. One of the paramount advantages of drone technology lies in its capacity to gather real-time data for crop monitoring and analysis. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology, drones provide farmers with comprehensive information on crucial aspects such as plant health, soil conditions, and moisture levels. This wealth of data empowers farmers to make informed decisions for precise interventions, effectively mitigating risks and maximizing yields. Moreover, the efficiency and accuracy of drones in crop spraying have proven to be a game-changer in the agricultural arena. By precisely targeting the application of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides, drones ensure the optimal distribution of agrochemicals, minimizing waste and environmental impact. This precise approach helps in reducing costs, enhancing crop quality, and minimizing the potential health risks associated with traditional spraying techniques. Furthermore, the use of drones in agriculture offers a bird's-eye view of the entire farm, enabling farmers to identify potential issues promptly. From spotting irrigation problems to detecting pest infestations and plant diseases, drones provide early warnings that can prevent significant crop damage and financial loss. This proactive approach allows farmers to implement timely interventions, safeguarding their crops and ensuring sustainable farming practices. In conclusion, drone technology's importance in agriculture cannot be overstressed. As these unmanned aerial vehicles continue to evolve,